Addie, how did you get started acting?
Well, I actually started off as a model. I was like 2, and people would come up to us in the grocery store. Your daughter's awesome. She's so cute. I love her.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Have you ever driven a bus like him?
No.
No.
I'm a little young. But my agency started sending me on auditions, and my parents are like, no, she's not an actress.
Right.
So we actually took a break when I started school, and when I was about in 2nd grade, my agency was like, okay, we know she's not an actress, but please send her on this one audition.
Just do this one thing.
Yes. And I actually convinced my parents to let me do it by practicing and doing it over and over. So I went into the audition and I got it, and it was The Secret Life of Bees as young Dakota Fanning. Yes.
I remember The Secret Life of Bees.
Yes.
That was awesome. You know, this is how Lindsay Lohan started, so you've got that to look forward to.
Oh, great.
What was that?
Even she knows.
What's going on here?
Even she knows. That's pretty funny. Patty, that is great. Wow. So what is your next project? Do you have a project in the works?
Well, I just finished a project called Fear Fighter, where we get sucked into this world of terror, and we have to fight our fears, and it's going to be
Sounds
insane.
like you were there when they made the trailer.
Oh, I was.
A world of terror.
Do you know when that comes out? When is it?
I'm not sure. We're actually releasing the trailer this weekend at Blood on the Beach.
Oh, awesome. Well, Blood on the Beach is all weekend long at the Holiday Inn down on Greenwich Road.
Yep.
Off of Newtown Road. Michael Rooker,